In this video, I'll be responding to tons and tons of comments that you guys commented in the previous video about the Telegram SMS fee problem. First of all, you guys are so amazing. You watched the video, reacted on it, commented. I don't take that for granted. I saw so many comments saying it worked for me, genius, you deserve a subscribe. Your comments help others to trust the process. For example, those that are scared of the Telegram SMS fee problem and are also worried of losing their chat. Now let me address the issue many of you reported. If your Telegram is showing no contacts, no chats, no groups, that is an indicator that you're using a new Telegram account. Make sure that you logged into your old one. Now this happens when you logged in using a different number or your old account was auto-deleted. Telegram failed to restore the backup. Now if you want to restore your chats and everything, make sure that the account that you're using is the right one. You may be using a different number, you're thinking that you're using that very account. If your account was set to 1 to 6 month auto delete, that means that in case you spend those 6 months and Telegram deletes your account, that means that you will not be able to retrieve your chat history. And the only advice that I can advise is it will be a fresh account, nothing to do about it. Now if you're experiencing this, that means that either your APK is not up to date or the device that you're using has issues. In the video I explain how you can update that APK. APK 7 simply means Android 7 compatible version, which some people need if at all they are using older devices. And also some new devices can still support it, but probably I would suggest using older devices since these other Android version may have issues with you installing and now running the application. It may frustrate you a bit, and if at all you face this issue, then the only thing is subscribing to Telegram Premium. Now in case you're facing this issue, in the video I actually demonstrated how you can receive the code via WhatsApp, but according to the feedback that I was getting, it's like calls, receiving the code via calls is the more reliable thing that is happening to most of the users. But for heading back to this question of WhatsApp call, remember you can use a WhatsApp call. WhatsApp just enables you to receive the code via SMS. The calls are physical, like Telegram itself will call you and read to you the code, and you insert the code and you're good to go. And the issue of SMS in some regions, because SMS is affected by multiple factors. Now if you're from a different location, that means that the SMS will depend on that very location. Please know that the SMSs are affected by your location. So the only reliable thing right now that I see is a call, and of which most of the users are receiving the call instead of the maybe code. Now the other thing is that Telegram will send the code to all your devices that are connected to your account, and I find it not in line with what you're avoiding, because now you have the Telegram SMS HP issue, and I doubt that you have other devices. In case you had the other devices, maybe you would have just logged in using the other devices. This is invalid, but I just wanted to explain to maybe someone who is planning in the near future. Now, to all iPhone users, I just request you to be patient because I'm trying to figure out how you can solve these issues in your iPhone. But in case you have Android as your second device, then I advise you using your Android device. Now, this issue always happens with outdated app versions. Sometimes it may hinder you from maybe joining groups or something like that. So I advise you to update your app to the latest version. And I also demonstrated that in the video. Please follow up the previous video so you do all what I recommended you to do. Now this question came up a few times. Now here is the truth. The APK file that I shared earlier is a Slogan app. I may call it Slogan official app, but a previous version and updated to the latest. And if you're scared of using this app, I'll advise you to subscribe to Slogan Premium. If you're scared of maybe security or something like that, then you have to just subscribe to Slogan Premium. Now if you don't know how to download Slogan, I did multiple videos demonstrating that. But anyways, you just go to your Google Play Store and search Slogan and download the app. And let me first make this clear. Telegram will call you on your physical SIM. It won't call you using maybe WhatsApp or something. WhatsApp will be just used to receive the code in case maybe they decide to send it as a code instead of a call. A call will be received by your physical SIM, not WhatsApp or something like that. Now in case all these steps didn't work for you, let me try to clarify what would be the problem. You used a different phone number. Your old account was auto-deleted. You're using an iPhone. Your country blocks Slogan traffic. You didn't update after installing. The code system in your region is delayed. If you're still stuck, please let me know in the comments below which country are you from so I may come up with a fix for your particular country. Now let me share a bonus with you. Did you know that Slogan is trying to eliminate the receiving of code via SMS and all these other avenues? They want now to use email. I guess you've seen it in your account when you try to log in. The email pop-up comes in where you register via email. Let me know your thoughts of this decision made by Telegram. And that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.